Hey guys, so today we're doing a little set of press-ons, very quick set, and we're going to be using these lovely blue sky polishes. So come on in, let's see how we done it. Hey guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to the channel. So as I say, we are just going to do the second hand of this little set of press-on nails that will be available in my Etsy store. So I've just popped a wee link to it up here. We are using Petal Bloom and Melted Butter from Blue Sky, and the base for the French is Honey from their Builder Gel collection. So beautiful base color for any French tips that you're planning to use. So I'm just going to let you watch. I'll get on with it here. It's a wee quick short one. Nothing too mad in it. A few wee polka dots and flower placements, and I'll see you at the end. Enjoy, guys. So guys, this is a bit you don't normally see, is me packaging up and getting the press-ons ready for the road. So just giving them a wee quick finish file and just checking the underneath of them that there isn't any paint or anything like that still there. So just cleaning them all up, getting them onto my little card and into their box and ready for home. So I hope you've enjoyed this style of video. As I say, it is quite short and sweet, but it was just basically to show you how to, you know, how I sort of crack on with my little press-ons. And as I say, this one is going to be in my Etsy shop. So, pardon me, for you, those of you that don't know, I do have an Etsy shop. It is at Nailed by LJW. Same as everything, all my socials are that. And I do custom press-on nails. So these will be getting as a set of small press-ons. However, if you were interested in getting a set of press-ons from me, basically I just send you out a sizing kit, and then we just decide what you would like, whether it be the same as anything in the shop or anything customized. We work together and come up with a design. So if any of you are interested in a wee set of press-on nails, please don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comments or via Instagram, TikTok, wherever, and we can get you all sorted. So this is them getting into the wee box. I send this along with a little application kit. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this little process, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.